Imagine a world where you can harness the power of artificial intelligence to unlock the mysteries of the cryptocurrency market, making money with precision and efficiency. Trading bots, predictive analytics, and sentiment analysis are the keystones of this lucrative venture. By developing AI-powered trading bots, you can automate trades based on market conditions, utilizing various strategies such as arbitrage, scalping, and trend following. These bots continuously analyze market data, execute trades at optimal times, and adjust strategies on the fly, ensuring you stay ahead of market fluctuations. To get started, you'll need access to a reliable trading platform. Tools like 3Commas, and Shrimpy are popular among traders. They offer customizable bots that can be programmed to follow specific strategies. Connect these bots to your cryptocurrency exchange accounts, configure your trading strategies, and let the bots work tirelessly to maximize your profits. Traders have reported making millions by leveraging these bots, profiting from the constant ebb and flow of the market without needing to be glued to their screens. Next, dive into predictive analytics. Tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras allow you to build sophisticated models that analyze historical price data and predict future movements. These models can process vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that are invisible to the human eye. By training your eye on historical data, you can develop a model that forecasts price movements with impressive accuracy. Implement this model into your trading strategy, and you'll be equipped to make informed decisions that can lead to significant financial gains. Sentiment analysis is another powerful tool in the arsenal. The cryptocurrency market is heavily influenced by news and social media. Tools like Monkalian, Lexalytics, and Google Natural Language can analyze vast amounts of online content, gauging market sentiment in real time. Positive or negative sentiment can drive prices up or down, and by staying ahead of these trends, you can position yourself to profit from market swings. Incorporate sentiment analysis into your trading bot's decision-making process, and you'll have an edge that many traders lack. This technique has helped individuals turn thousands into millions by capitalizing on market sentiment shifts. For portfolio management, tools like Shrimpy and Quadancy provide AI-driven solutions that optimize your cryptocurrency investments. These platforms analyze your portfolio's performance, balancing risk and return to ensure maximum profitability. By automating portfolio management, you free up time and reduce the emotional stress of constant monitoring, allowing AI to handle the heavy lifting. Investors using these tools have reported substantial increases in their portfolio value, with some turning modest investments into vast fortunes.
Fraud detection is another crucial area where AI excels. With the cryptocurrency market being prone to scams and fraudulent activities, AI tools like Chainalysis and auditing can detect anomalies and suspicious transactions. These tools use machine learning algorithms to monitor blockchain transactions, identifying potential fraud in real time. By integrating these tools into your trading strategy, you can avoid costly mistakes and protect your investments, ensuring a safer trading environment. AI can also audit smart contracts for vulnerabilities. Tools like OpenZeppelin and Myths use AI to analyze the code of smart contracts, identifying potential security flaws and errors. By ensuring your smart contracts are secure, you can prevent losses due to hacks or bugs, a crucial step for anyone involved in decentralized finance DeFi. This level of security has allowed developers and investors to engage in the market with confidence, leading to profitable ventures and significant earnings. Market making with AI is another profitable avenue. By providing liquidity in cryptocurrency markets, AI algorithms can buy and sell assets simultaneously, profiting from the spread. Tools like Hummingbit and Antonio offer sophisticated market-making bots that execute these trades efficiently. This strategy has enabled many traders to generate consistent income, contributing to their financial success. Lastly, AI can optimize cryptocurrency mining operations. Tools like Minerstat and QDoMiner use AI to enhance mining efficiency, reducing costs and increasing profitability. By optimizing hardware performance and electricity consumption, miners can maximize their earnings, turning cryptocurrency mining into a highly profitable endeavor. Many have already made millions by embracing these technologies, proving that with the right tools and strategies, the potential for profit in the cryptocurrency market is immense. Hit share and subscribe to get new videos.